the Cape Codder. It's simple, easy and refreshing. It sounds like a knockoff fish finger brand or a stuffy fish and chip restaurant you get dragged into when you were a child, where they'd only serve you up monkfish or sea bass and get given 5 chips. Okay, this is a really simple 3-ingredient cocktail. You've got cranberry juice, fresh lime juice, then vodka, which is in this wino hobo bottle, which you confiscate from your dad and his mates while still sitting on a park bench. Grab a Collins glass and add some ice. Just make sure you get it out earlier so it doesn't crack like a football being hoofed at a window, which you're about to see in a second. Add to your glass 2 ounces, that's 60ml of vodka. Then I'm adding 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of fresh lime juice. Then you want to top this off with cranberry juice. History wise, this is a variation on the Cape Cod, which is basically a vodka and cranberry. This is named after Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Sources date this drink back to the 1940s and is created by the Ocean Spray's Cranberries Growers Cooperative. Give this a light stir. Then for your garnish, expertly cut a slice of lime with surgical precision like I did here. I think this is a good sign my knife needs sharpening. Now for the taste test. This is simple but effective. I think it's a good drink for the summer, very refreshing and cooling. It's far from complex, but something you can easily make with not too much effort. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.